Now say you say, why not trend the war up? Now say the main trend the crowd. I didn't move the face and more money manner. Hi, Abusia, my young TikTok, na young share the social media because I want I'm ranting in our could be. You are not my cousin, the actual. Hi, child of God. I respond to the name Prophet KB Emmanuel King. I just came to you right now to let you know about how important it is for you to invest in yourself so that you can become an asset, not a liability. A gun can never be dangerous without a bullet. A gun without a bullet is no different from a toy. So what makes a gun so powerful and dangerous? It's only a bullet that can make a gun so dangerous and powerful. So whenever you are holding a gun and it's not loaded, it is no different from a toy. It has no impact. It has nothing to offer. So I urge each and everyone watching me, you must be loaded. You need to load your life with education. You need to load your life with your talent. You need to load your life with something that will make you different among others. A gun can never be powerful and dangerous without a bullet. So you need to load your life. You are a loaded gun. Nobody can stand you. No amount of prayer can stop you. If you are a loaded gun, no amount of insult can stop you. Nobody. Sister, you need to load your life. How can you load your life? You can do so by education. One, because education is a legacy. Begin to load your life. Then you see to it you are fully loaded. Tomorrow is never promised. So you need to cut off every procrastination. It can impede your progress. It can never make you go far. Do you know that a rich guy that I know some time ago is a poor guy today? He's a broke nigger. Why? Because he was unable to invest in his life. When the father was a rich man, he was not able to help himself. So now he is an envious dude walking around. Sometimes those people who have been commenting, passing bad comments, most of them are envious. Most of them are frustrated. They are frustrated young guys walking around. Why? They were not able to make hay when the sun shines. So when they see someone making ends meet, they are thinking otherwise. And I know a poor guy who is now a rich man and a billionaire in the system. Why? He started from somewhere and was able to invest in his life. Hey, Lady Gaga, do not rely on your beauty because beauty is vanity. A beautiful lady with low IQ and has nothing to show, you are no different from a decorated empty boutique. Men can enter based on your appearance, but after their entry, they will be disappointed because they couldn't get what they want. Why don't you invest in your life so that you can become a powerful woman of resources, a great woman and a mighty man of valor? Your father might be one of the rich men on the land, but I'm telling you the gospel truth that tomorrow is never promised. So do not rely on property. Do not rely on what your father has invested. Your father invested it in his time. So what are you also investing? If some of us relied on the properties from our fathers, like most of us would be hopeless and useless by now. Because as I'm speaking to you now, our fathers have nothing to show. I'm telling you the gospel truth. So if you are fortunate to get a father who can invest in your life by education, by learning a trade, do it now. Do not procrastinate, because tomorrow is never promised. You know that your successful life can be guaranteed based on what you are doing right now. Do you know that your successful future can be the reflection of what you are doing today? Yes. That is why I am asking you to learn something, learn a trade, do something on your own. Begin to load your life. Just pretend to be a gun, a loaded gun, and everybody will fear you. If people can fear you today in our system, it is not about your stature, it is not about your muscles, because a macho man with empty pocket is no different from a robot. No one will respect you, but when they want someone to come and defend something, to come and fight, to come and work hard, they will come for you. After that, they will dump you somewhere. The safe way to invest is to invest in your life. Nobody can drag you to court to snatch what you have within. If you are having a talent, nobody can take you to court, then they snatch it. If you are a nurse, nobody can take you to court, then they snatch your nurse out from your life. That is why I want you to invest in your life, so that you might not regret some time to come. A word to a wise is enough. Child of God, I still want to remind you of the upcoming program on the 18th of August. On the 18th of August, there will be a massive deep prophetic encounter with the prophet at Accra, Medina, Abukubi. Accra, Medina, Abukubi. I know you are coming. I know you are still in preparation to come and have an encounter with your prophet. And so on the 18th of August, we are all meeting at Accra, Medina, Abukubi. So on the 18th of August, Accra, Medina, Abukubi. A shepherd kwesiada, a destiny Sunday. Anopa 7 na mkuta mic. Ano na me ba sa me baba be kawo. Enu ti se bia na wura fi wo ho de a na wa Accra. A Sunday mega service na ye de hihye so. E wo Accra, Medina, Abukubi no. Inim sa wo ba. Ba na wo ba no so no. Wo ba na na odifo baba be hia. Onipa bi ono odifo hia no. Shabra ne sesa. Anu nteminim sa wo shabra no e be sesa. Ma ye hia on the 18th of August, our Accra, Medina, Abukubi by 7. Let me put a mic into Brantam.
Doctor Umama Quanche, Doctor Umama Quanche, within Umama Quanche, no. 3 Umana Catcher said, Mink Umama Quanche, 7 that day, I'm ye. Need 2 days and no more frame. Say, I did not need 2 days no more frame. I didn't just say, may see, so may apply. Mean 2 kind that, make may apply, will be to me the 5 years, so if it's 2 kind. Will be person will be all the bed. 2 years, one minute, within 2 months. Doctor, at the end, I'm going to say, I'm say me makuma who Christ.
I said, yeah, but rather the farm swab, what show me on the 18th of August, 7 o'clock, sharp, Accra, Medina, Abukubi. Transformation Factory, Holiness of Christ Ministry. Ya boy, ya who say, yes, a Sasha Bre, I'm on Kofa could dance here free. Christ so just prepare yourself with your perfume and the seed of 100 cities for the orphans, and we shall surely attend to you. Then we have an encounter. It's going to be a destiny Sunday. It's a destiny Sunday. Come with your entire family, and your life will never ever remain the same. I still respond to the name Prophet KB Man. Okay, you can call me Dr. Jaba. Shalom.